Hi guys, welcome to IS with Santosh. So as per our 7 days intensive revision plan for the last 7 days for the mains 2023, today we have General Studies paper 1 geography revision, then General Studies paper 3, okay, we have environment and disaster management. So in this video I will give you the important questions which you need to revise from geography. Guys, all these questions have been discussed in our Optima sessions. You can see the Optima sessions from the link in the description of this video. Guys, to start with, what I have done is that I have taken every section of the syllabus in geography and I will give you the important expected question which you should prepare. Okay, the first topic is origin and evolution of Earth. Guys, here you need to prepare evolution of moon this year. Okay, very important, because Chandrayaan 3 mission, because of Chandrayaan 3 mission. So discuss the evolution of moon. How will Chandrayaan 3 help in this? Okay, how will Chandrayaan 3 help in this? You can also prepare evolution of Earth. Okay, so these two topics are related to each other. Guys, next, as far as interior of Earth is concerned, this year this topic is also very important. Okay, so discuss the direct and indirect sources of study of Earth's interior. This is given in the NCERT directly. You have to prepare from there. Discuss the interior structure of Earth. Explain how S and P waves help in understanding the interior structure of Earth. This is also very important. Guys, this came in the prelims exam also. And the most important one, which is very important in this section, is what is Earth magnetosphere? Discuss its roles. Explain the impact of solar storms on Earth. Very important. This is very important because of the Aditya mission. Because of the Aditya mission, solar storms are very important, and how this Earth's magnetosphere protects us from solar storm. Okay guys, in the same section, there are some more current event questions, like for example China drilling one of the deepest holes in the earth. So this topic is related to the interior of the earth. Okay, interior of the sources for the interior of the earth. Then guys, earth core is also very important. Okay, there has been recent discovery about the slowing down of earth core. Next guys, an orthosite. An orthosite is a type of rock which is found in moon. It is very important rock. Which very important rock for aluminium. Okay, so please do prepare an orthosite and why it is so important. Next guys, as far as landforms are concerned, this year, because of the sinking of Joshimath and other Himalayan regions in India, they can be questioned that why Himalayan regions are sinking. Okay, so what are the reasons behind Joshimath sinking? This is very important. Next, karst topography is also important. Next, why infrastructure development in the hills cannot be same as the plain. Basically, the Himalayan regions are more fragile. Himalayan regions are more fragile. Okay, what are the reasons for that? Okay, why Himalayan regions are more prone to disaster? More prone to disaster, particularly the landslides. Okay, this is very important. You can see here why landslides are so common in Himalayan regions. Even Western Ghat. Okay, also we had this Raigad landslide. So why Western Ghats are prone to disaster? Why Western Ghats are prone to disaster? All these things I have discussed in my Optima sessions. Please do go through them. They are very important. I can tell you at least one question will definitely come from this questions. Okay, next let's move on guys. Okay, in the distribution of ocean and continent, here what is important is the continental drift theory and the evidence in continental drift theory. Why guys? Because you see in the prelims also they have given question on marsupials. Okay, so how fossils and animals will help us to understand the continental drift theory. Very important. Then sea floor spreading is also in news. Very important guys. As far as atmosphere is concerned, extreme weather events is very important. What are extreme weather events? Is climate change responsible for extreme weather events? Next guys, heat dome. We are seeing heat dome in North America and Europe. Okay, what are the factors behind this? But the most important topic in the climate region is the El Nino. Is the El Nino impact on India? What is the impact of El Nino on India? Then related to this topic, we have the Indian Ocean Dipole also, and how is Indian Ocean Dipole and El Nino interact with each other. Okay, so this is very important. Next, Western disturbance was also in news. Guys, this year Western disturbance was responsible for heavy rainfall in the Himalayan region. So Western disturbance you should definitely prepare. Next guys, why do more cyclones happen in Bay of Bengal compared to the Arabian Sea, and why in recent years Arabian Sea cyclones are increasing? Why in recent years Arabian Sea cyclones are increasing? Okay, this is related to the climate change. This is related to the climate change. These two questions are very important. I have discussed this. Please do prepare that. Then guys, what are cloudbursts? What are the factors responsible for cloudburst? Why Himalayan regions are more prone to cloudburst? Then guys, okay, wildfires is also in news. Wildfires is also in news. Then guys, there is peculiar phenomena in Indian monsoon which is called monsoon breaks. Okay, this is very important. Please do prepare what are monsoon breaks, why are they important, and how climate change is impacting the monsoon break. Next guys, why is India drought prone? Guys, because of the El Nino, this year can be a drought year. Many of the states have already declared drought. So why is India so drought prone? Which are the regions in India which are drought prone? Is very, very important. Guys, moving on. Moving on guys, you can see here in oceanography, okay, the question can be, what is the impact of climate change on ocean? What is the impact of climate change on ocean? Very, very important. What is the impact of climate change on ocean? Very, very important. Very, very, very important. Please do prepare impact of climate change on ocean. Guys, ocean plays a very important carbon sink role. So how is this climate change impacting the ocean? Very, very important. Okay, you need to prepare the impact on coral reefs and etc, etc. This is also we have discussed in detail. Next guys, as far as okay distribution of natural resources are concerned, in agriculture this year millets are very important. In agriculture millets are very important. Okay, what are the millets? Okay, why International Year of Millet has been declared? Very, very important. Then discuss the geographical distribution of millet production and consumption in the world and India. Very, very important. This we have discussed in detail. This we have discussed in detail in our sessions. Please do prepare that. Millets, most important question this year is millet distribution in India. Okay, next guys, okay, why are millets called super crops? Why are millets called super crops? Okay, very, very important. So millets and climate change, they can relate millets and climate change. Okay guys, then pulses and oilseeds are also very important. Why the cultivation of pulses and oilseeds in India is lacking? Why do we import pulses and oilseeds? This can be a question. As far as resources are concerned, mineral resources are concerned, guys, this year very high chances that they are going to ask you this critical minerals, strategic minerals. What are critical minerals? Why are they important? Discuss the distribution of critical minerals. Discuss the geopolitics of critical minerals. Why is distribution of critical minerals highly concentrated? Critical minerals are highly concentrated. Very, very, very important. Very, very, very important. This is okay. We have discussed this in 1 hour session. Please do go through that 1 hour session. Very, very important. Guys, you know that China has banned the export of gallium and germanium? Again, this is a critical mineral. Very, very important. Related to this, there is an IR topic which is the Mineral Security Partnership. India has joined this Mineral Security Partnership, so they can relate it and they can ask you. Okay, then guys, why lithium is considered as a wonder metal? Discuss the distribution of lithium in India and the world. Related to that, rare earth elements are also very famous in UPSC. Then guys, again, very important topic is the deep sea mining. Very important topic is the deep sea mining. What are the environmental impacts of deep sea mining? Very, very important. This also we have discussed in detail. Then guys, related topic is the blue economy. Next guys, what is the potential of hydropower in Northeast and what are the concerns? Guys, Northeast has very huge potential of hydropowers, but there are a lot of concerns as far as seismic activity is concerned, as far as the international dimensions of this hydropowers are concerned. So please do prepare it. Floods are concerned. Okay, next guys, you can see here, okay, discuss the potential of geothermal energy in India. Okay, very, very important. Then guys, population. This year population can be a very important resource. A lot of questions can come on population because India has overtaken China. So is population an asset or a liability? Okay, what is the Malthus theory of population and how far Malthus was right? What do you understand by demographic transition? Okay, what is demographic dividend? What is population aging? So all these are very, very, very important. Then Indian diaspora is also very important. Then guys, you see this year, okay, lot of coups have happened in Africa. So they can ask you why Africa is poor, although Africa is so resource rich, but why still Africa is poor? Very, very important. So there is a phenomenon called resource curse, which I have discussed. Please go through that. Very, very important. Okay, next guys, you can see here resource curse we have. Okay, next guys, groundwater exploitation. Guys, what are the critical issues of groundwater exploitation in India? So groundwater is a very important resource. Guys, do you know groundwater is responsible for more than 70% of irrigation, more than 80% of drinking water? but the groundwater is depleting very fast in India. So what are the issues related to the groundwater exploitation in India? Next guys, tidal and wave energy, very very important, tidal and wave energy. Then guys, Antarctica and Arctic, very very important. India has come out with some Arctic policy. India has come out with Arctic policy, very very important. And what is this Antarctica? What are the various missions of India in Antarctica and Arctic? Very very important. Again I repeat, very very important, Arctic and Antarctic region. Guys, as far as location of industry is concerned, guys, this year fertilizer industry is very very important. What are the factors responsible for fertilizer industry in India? Then guys, chip and semiconductor industry is very very important. Why? Taiwan is one of the largest chip manufacturers of the world. Then guys, what is the location factors and challenges in the jute industry? Then guys, what are transshipment ports? Why are they important? Guys, you know that in Andaman and Nicobar Islands we are building a transshipment port. So what are the factors which determines location of transshipment ports? Why transshipment ports are important? Very very important. Guys, next, the South China Sea is in news. What are the conflict in the South China Sea? Why South China Sea is very important? Then guys, as I told you, Arctic region becomes very important this year because of this North Sea route. Guys, North Sea route is now because of the climate change is now available. North Sea route is available. So how North Sea route is basically favorable for India, and how it is favorable than the Suez Canal route? A comparison can be asked. Now the last section in geography, last section, which is basically geophysical phenomenon. Why Turkey earthquake was the most devastating earthquake in this century? Very very important. Why the Turkey earthquake was the most devastating earthquake in this century? Because of the three plates coming together. So you can just go through our video, very detailed discussion we have done. Guys, very detailed discussion we have done. Then the distribution of earthquakes and volcanoes in the world, very very important. Which regions of the world are more earthquake prone? Then guys, Tonga volcano was very very important. Unique volcanic eruption happened last year, very very important. Then guys, as I told you, Himalayan regions is becoming very very important this year. Lot of questions can be expected on Himalayan regions, whether it is in environment, whether it is in geography, whether it is in disaster management. So prepare this Himalayan regions and the Western Ghat region, very very important. Himalayan region and Western Ghat region, again I repeat. Next guys, permafrost, flooding. Why Assam gets flood? Why Bihar gets flood every year? What are the reasons why Assam and Bihar gets flood every year? Very very important. Why Aravalis are important? Why Western Ghats are important? What is desertification? How is India fighting with desertification? Very important. Then guys, mangroves. This year mangroves are very very important because of the MISTI schemes. What are mangroves? What are the geographical distribution of mangroves? Why are they important? Then guys, Amazon forest was also in news. So guys, these are some of the important questions. If you just go through today, just brainstorm over these topics which I have listed down, and all these topics have been discussed in our Optima sessions. Go through those Optima sessions quickly. You can go through. Again I just sum up. The most important and expected question: one is evolution of moon and earth because of the Chandrayaan mission. Next is interior of earth. Next is guys, solar storm and earth magnetosphere. Next guys, this the Himalayan sinking, Joshimath sinking. Why Himalayas are eco-fragile? Why Western Ghats are eco-fragile? Then guys, continental drift theory, seafloor spreading. Then guys, El Nino, Indian Ocean dipole, western disturbance. Then Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal cyclones. Then guys, drought. Then as far as in agriculture, millets. Why millets are important? Why millets? Like overall, why millets contribution in Indian agriculture has been decreasing after the green revolution? Why they are called super crops? Geographical distribution. Then guys, pulses and oil seeds. Then as far as the resources are concerned, critical minerals, lithium, strategic minerals, mineral security, rare earth elements. Then deep sea mining, very very important. I again repeat, deep sea mining, hydropower, geothermal energy, wave energy, very very important, tidal energy. Then population, again I repeat, population, very important. Population, demographic transition, demographic dividend, and Africa, resource curse of Africa, and the Arctic region. As far as industry is concerned, please prepare the fertilizer industry and the semiconductor industry, and prepare the transshipment ports and the northern sea routes. Transshipment port and the northern sea routes. Thank you guys. Bye bye. Take care. This list I will upload in the website. It is already uploaded in the link below. Please go and check it. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.